Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have got a freebie alert to share with you. It's from FeelUnique Pick and Mix sample service and it is amazing. It is really good. One of the items, which I'll show you in a minute, is full size. We weren't sure, me and all my followers on Facebook and Instagram, we weren't sure if this was a mistake or not, but it's £3.95 and that £3.95 gets credited back onto your account so you can use it against any other purchases off the FeelUnique website. So essentially it's free. So I thought, why not? I'm going to choose it, and I know a load of you have done so as well. So if you're new to FeelUnique Pick and Mix sample service, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've heard it all before and you just want to get straight into seeing what I chose, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. FeelUnique is a huge online beauty store. They ship worldwide, but unfortunately they're pick and mix, and they've also got a beauty box subscription. It's only available in the UK, but there could be some talks of them expanding out to the UK. If I hear anything, you'll be the first to know. I'll post it up everywhere. So if you're not already following me on Facebook and Instagram, then you're welcome to do so. It's the same name, Diaryofabeautygeek. So the Pick and Mix sample service is not a subscription. You need to create an account with FeelUnique, and once you've done that, you are able to choose up to 5 samples once a month. Say if you pick them on the 1st of November, you will not be able to do it again until the 1st of December. You don't have to do it monthly. You can leave it a whole year. You just do the one and that is it. But you can't do it more than once a month. You could do in the past, but that's a long story which I won't get into in this video. There is a bit of a loophole. But that's now been stopped. So you choose your 5 samples and they are free. You don't have to pay anything for them. You just pay for the shipping, which, as I mentioned at the start, is £3.95. But when they send their items out to you, you get £3.95 credited onto your account, which you can use on anything on the FeelUnique website. But you can't use that £3.99 to get your pick and mix for the following month then. It's non-redeemable against the pick and mixes and the beauty box. There's no set date or day, time, etc. when they release the samples on the website. So we could go a month or two and not much change, but then out of the blue, we could have a lot of products on there, like what has happened this month. Now, unfortunately, the full-size item that I managed to bag is not there anymore. So as soon as I found out about it, I posted it up everywhere on social media, plus other beauty websites and Instagram pages and everything. You know, they were sharing it everywhere as well. So yeah, it's no wonder that it became unavailable pretty soon. The reason I'm doing this video is to show you obviously what I chose. But if you are new to this service, then keep it in mind. It's definitely worth dipping in now and again. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, please ask away down below. Plus, I'll add a link to the Pick and Mix sample service and the beauty box subscription if you're interested in that as well. You'll find that down below there as well. So underneath this video, you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what I chose. Okay, the first item is the full size item, and it's a Paul & Joe Protecting Foundation Primer, and it's 30 mils. Now this can be bought different prices, different websites, but you can purchase this on the FeelUnique website. I think it's currently on sale for about £21 at this size. Look at the packaging. The packaging is just gorgeous. You see, it is beautiful, isn't it? Absolutely beautiful. Now, the only downside about this is that it came in one shade. It said honey on the website when I was choosing it, and I was thinking, ooh, I'm quite pale. I was thinking, okay, honey, is that going to be really dark? But I just thought, I'm going to get it anyway. If it is too dark, then I'll just pass it on to someone. But its shade could well be honey, I don't know, but it's 02. And I've already got this one. I received it in a Rockerbox beauty box subscription 2 months ago. So I know exactly what it's like, and I know what the shade is like. It is a little bit on the dark side for me, but because it's a primer, it's fine. It's a really good primer. I could just use it on its own. It contains SPF 50 as well. But yeah, I've got another one now. It is beautiful. Really chuffed. Next up, I chose a NARS Climax Mascara. Now this has been in and out with the Pick and Mix samples on and off for the last 2 years, and this goes pretty quickly as well. It's a decent size. It's a size of product you'll get in a subscription box then. So yeah, it's really great. A nice big wand. And yeah, I love these little minis. I take them on holiday with me, or if I'm going away for a night or something. A NARS mascara. Then I got Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Wonder Glow Instant Soft Focus Beauty Glow Primer, and there's 7 mils here. I've had this before and I really like it. I've actually got quite a few. Yeah, it's only 7 mils, but as we all know, Charlotte Tilbury is quite a pricey brand, so this is probably worth quite a bit. As it is. I don't know. Massage it in hand. Yeah, it is really, really nice. Just gives a very subtle luminosity. It's got a very slight tint to it, but it just blends into the skin. My hands are really, really pale. A lot paler than my face, but it blends in really nicely. It feels really nice and soft as well. So I've got a Wonder Glow primer from Charlotte Tilbury. Next up, I've got a pack of 10 facial pads by First Aid Beauty. I've had these before as well, and I've had the full size in a little round pot, and it's to help exfoliate, tone and brighten alcohol-free, safe for sensitive skins. And I just thought, again, something nice and easy to pop in a bag if I'm going away for a weekend. So yeah, got some pads. And then lastly, I chose a BareMinerals Poreless Skincare Collection samples. I've got a clay cleanser, exfoliating essence and an oil-free moisturizer. So I thought that was quite nice to try it all together, and it gives you some information about the products then on the back there as well. So those are all my items that I chose for this month's FeelUnique Pick and Mix sample service. I just gathered them all up. So I got all these for free. I always shop on the FeelUnique website, so I always use the £3.95 code that I get from choosing these samples. So yeah, these are free. Full size primer, and then a good size mascara, and decent size Charlotte Tilbury primer as well, a glow one, and some facial pads. And then I've got a set of 3 little samples for BareMinerals, the Poreless range. I am really chuffed, really, really chuffed. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. Did you know about the primer? Did you go on to choose it? Or are you just learning about this for the first time? I'd love to hear what you think of the samples and the sample service, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.